Hi, folks. Hope you're doing well. It's day 20 of my 30-30 challenge, Reflections on Online Learning. 30 tips in 30 days on how to make online learning better. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share our videos. Group work has almost as bad a reputation as online learning. And so the logical thing to do is to combine the two and make it twice as bad, right? Seriously, though, using group work is an essential component of PBL, and it's also important for online learning. The problem with most group work is the assignments. When they aren't authentic, like group presentations and such, it shouldn't surprise you that some students just don't buy in. But when an assignment is authentic and student-centered, they're much more likely to participate. And when it's music, it's even better, because who wants to make bad music? The other problem is how groups are organized. There's always one or two students that want to lead, and then there's a few students that are more comfortable following. But make sure in any case that each student has a unique role and is contributing something of equal value to the team. Let students have a say in who they work with, too. In groups of 4 or 5, I usually ask students to tell me one person they'd like to work with, and then I try to accommodate that when I put the groups together. Having one person you wanted to work with in your group makes it so much more likely that you're going to contribute. I don't generally have a lot of problems in my group work, but occasionally they do crop up. Learning to collaborate, though, is one of the goals of my class, and so I explain that to the students and you tell them to work it out. On a few occasions, I've had to mediate, and on an extreme case, I've actually given a group permission to fire the member, but that was a student who was planning on leaving the program anyway. So if you've shied away from group work, maybe it's time to give it another try. Grading 6 projects instead of 24 is a lot easier. And if you do it right, your students are going to benefit too. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and join me again tomorrow.